You know when the chore of a boiler cleaning almost outweighs the financial benefits? And then you look down the tube and realize you might have to hit it again? Well, we fix those problems. For this one, we have the Soot Buster. On this demonstration, we took off the vacuum hose so you can see the results. Typically, a vacuum hose is attached to pull a negative draft on the wide tube, keeping the operator clean. The pulse or vibrating action sends the brush to the end of the tube. Once the end is reached, the action of the tool and the brush causes the system to reverse all on its own back to the operator automatically. It is engineered into the mechanical properties of the flexed bristles of the brush. Check out the Soot Buster and see the results. Feel the benefits of the system that reduces operator fatigue. Treat your team to no longer pushing rods or holding a banjo machine that just can't match the benefits of a Soot Buster. Thank you.